Integrity Composites presents Duralife, inspired by nature, built to last.
Every great deck project begins with a solid code-compliant framing system. Visit DuralifeDecking.com to download detailed installation instructions and check local building codes for proper deck framing requirements.
Our new Duralife MVP decking provides a unique combination of value and performance. It is the perfect choice for a great-looking, ultra-low maintenance deck board at an affordable price. It features unmatched strength and durability, stain and fade resistance, mold and mildew resistance, and is warranted for 25 years.
For MVP deck board installations, end boards must be installed parallel to the deck surface. Here, the first end board is installed using 10 by 2 3/4 inch color-matched composite deck screws, which are designed specifically for capped composite decking.
The end board is fastened to a double end joist at the rate of 2 screws every 16 inches on center, the length of the board. Never place fasteners closer than 5/8 inch from the edge or ends of the board. The first board is placed in position and is fastened using 2 fasteners at every joist location. Be sure to maintain a 3/16 inch gap between boards, and every 3 to 4 boards check for square body measurement. Install blocking at either side of the joist at splices.
Once board installation is complete, snap a white chalk line and trim using a circular saw with a 24-tooth carbide blade. After finishing deck board installation, install matching or contrasting fascia board using 3 screws at a spacing of 12 inches on center. When using MVP decking for stair treads, create a mitered picture frame around the stair perimeter. Use matching fascia or contrasting fascia for the stair risers.
For more videos and more information about our complete line of composite decking and railing solutions, visit DuralifeDecking.com.